This is how I use digital mockups to create rhinestone patterns for my cosplays. I create a digital template or mockup of the rhinestone pattern to make planning and adjustments easier. I use PaintShop Pro, but any image editing software with layers will work. Making a digital mockup lets me play around until I find the perfect arrangement of stones that meets my creative and budget needs. Grabbing images or line art of the rhinestones can make the mockup more stylistically accurate. You should use a ruler that is scaled correctly with your image. Check the size of the rhinestones before adding them to your design. Save rhinestones on different layers so they're easier to count. Layers also help with hot fix stones that have to be added from shortest to tallest. Here's my recap. Make a digital mockup of your design to play around with before committing. Where possible, grab images of the gems to make the pattern more accurate. Use a scaled ruler in your design image to check stone sizes. Store each type of gem on its own layer.